Have you ever wondered what would happen if you could hop into a time machine and change the course of history? Ah, the tantalizing allure of time travel. But beware, time travel comes with its fair share of paradoxes that can boggle even the most brilliant minds. Greetings, temporal detectives. Lavish here, your guide through the labyrinth of time paradoxes. Today we're unraveling the mysteries that accompany the concept of time travel. Prepare yourselves for a journey into the paradoxical heart of temporal anomalies. Let's begin with the grandfather paradox, a classic in the realm of time travel. This paradox poses the question, what if you were to travel back in time and accidentally cause the demise of your own grandfather before he had your parent, hence before your own birth? If your grandfather didn't exist, neither would your parent, and consequently neither would you. But then who traveled back in time? It's a loop with no beginning or end, a true paradox. Next, we encounter the bootstrap paradox, another intriguing conundrum. This one deals with objects or information that exist without any discernible origin. Imagine, for instance, a scientist who receives a groundbreaking theory from her future self. She then becomes famous for this theory. Years later, she travels back in time and shares this theory with her past self. So, who originally came up with the theory? It seems to have no point of origin. The third paradox we'll explore is the predestination paradox. Here, a time traveler goes back in time and unintentionally causes an event to occur which was, in fact, the very event that initially caused them to travel back in time. It's a cyclical event loop with no clear beginning or end. Lastly, let's ponder over the Polchinski's paradox. It involves a billiard ball sent into a wormhole that would come out the other end in the past and knock its earlier self, preventing it from entering the wormhole in the first place. This again creates a situation with no clear cause and effect. So, what have we unraveled today? We've delved into the grandfather paradox, where one's own existence comes into question. We've pondered over the bootstrap paradox, where objects or information seem to exist without origin. We've explored the predestination paradox, where time travelers inadvertently create the events they're trying to prevent. And finally, we've scratched our heads over Polchinski's paradox, where cause and effect become muddled. These paradoxes challenge our understanding of time, causality, and reality itself. They ask us to consider whether time is linear or if it's a series of interconnected loops. They push us to question if cause and effect can be clearly separated, or if they can become so entangled that it's impossible to tell one from the other. Time travel paradoxes remind us of the mysteries that still exist in our universe and the limitless potential for discovery and understanding. As we continue to peer into the abyss of time, who knows what other paradoxes we may encounter. Until then, we'll keep pondering and exploring, never ceasing in our quest to understand the enigma that is time.